Hey guys, today I'm doing a video on the Shark Duo. It's a lift away speed and unexpected power of small anti-allergens complete seal technology Duo Clean. It's a lift away, but it's not like one of these type of sharks. Since now you got the view of the shark, I'll show you how to use it. It's the same way like the shark. Let me unwind this. It's similar to this type of shark, but a lot different. See this? Just lift it up. There's two of them on each side. You could use two or one finger, doesn't matter. And lift up. And here's the filter. Same type of filter as the shark rotator. How you turn it on is this, and if you want to go in carpet mode or floor mode, this, just slide it back or forth. See the lift away? There you have it. There's that little handle so that you can clean it out or whatnot, or whatever you have to do. See this? Just lift these two up. Sorry guys. There you go. It makes it easier to clean out the brush roll when you need to. And yes, it does have a light. It's brighter. It's actually brighter light than the other one. See? It looks like little eyebrows. There you have it. See this? Just, it's meant to pop out. See? No. See? And you can have it like, hang on. So, what I was saying, you can have it lift away so you can have it like this. And, like cleaning stairs. There you have it. The Shark Duo. And I forgot to mention, there's a filter right here too. There you go. That's the Shark. Now let's give it a test. Here are the two tools, a crevice tool, the dusting crevice tool, and the absolutely tool. Alright, so let's give it a test. Let's give her a test. Alright, let's see how well she does on pebbles. Let's see how well it does with a clump of hair. Like it says on TV, it should do. Picked it all up. Picked it all up, and there you have it. The Shark Duo. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.